cleaning system combines with AeroVac technology for maximum cleaning performance for all floor types. First, the spinning side brush cleans along wall edges, grabbing dirt and pushing it into the path of Roomba's counter-rotating brushes. These brushes work together to lift dust, debris, and hair off the floor. A powerful vacuum then pulls the dirt and hair off of Roomba's brushes and into the AeroVac bin. Optimized airflow guides the dirt and hair to the back of the bin, allowing it to fill more evenly and requiring you to empty it less often.